I set my camera to slow motion so that you could see what the bees look like when they're trying to eat. I placed out a pollen patty in the hive, and this is just a small drop that the honeybees are eating. You know, it kind of reminds me of when I was a little girl. Me, my sister, and my brother, we would jump all over the food at dinner time. We would argue and fuss and fight over who got what from the dinner table. My sister and my brother always let me have the first bite, though, because they're just so kind. I wish I could say the same for these honeybees. I don't know that they share politely, but they do know their place, and they know who gets to eat what and when. The honeybees will need these pollen patties each week until the month of November in order to prepare for the winter solstice. We've got to give them extra protein so that the queen can continue to lay some brood. The bees that are born this time of year are called winter bees because they will be the bees that will last over winter. They will actually live longer than the typical 4 to 6 week lifespan. These winter bees are made for just the winter, and that pollen patty, that piece of food, is going to help them grow.